Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While your iPhone 7 is connected, force restart it, press and hold both the sleep, wake and home buttons for at least 10 seconds, and don't release them when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding the buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. When you see the option to restore or update, choose Update. 3 January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to reset your iPhone without having to enter your Apple ID when your Find My iPhone feature is also turned off, you can do so by entering the recovery mode. This mode allows you to completely reset your iOS device without entering the Apple ID.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.